Hi. What do Maryland Terrapins and Team UltraSqueeze have in common? Why carrying their entire homes on their backs, of course. In recent years, the ultralight backpacking hobby has gained popularity. Hikers have decided that instead of hauling the typical 30 pounds of supplies up and down the trail, being smart about their gear will lead to a more enjoyable hiking experience, less stress on the joints, and more miles on the trail. But due to how niche the hobby is, ultralight backpackers are often forced to DIY build their own gear by adapting existing products. This ends up wasting numerous resources, and performance tends to suffer as well. At Team UltraSqueeze, we've designed a brand new modular sleeping pad system and ultralight water bottle that specifically address common complaints. These are two products that ultralight backpackers everywhere will be proven to love. Come by our booth to learn more.